Welcome back to our channel. The 2025 BMW 7 Series isn't just a sedan, it's a rolling statement of innovation, power, and ultimate comfort. With a bold design, cutting-edge technology, and performance that redefines what a luxury flagship should be, the 7 Series continues to set the standard for premium executive sedans. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW 7 Series offers multiple powertrain options. The 740i is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, producing 375 horsepower, paired with mild hybrid technology for extra efficiency and smooth power delivery. If you crave more muscle, the 760iX drive packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, churning out a commanding 536 horsepower. And for the eco-conscious, the i7 electric variant delivers over 500 horsepower, blending zero-emission driving with BMW's signature performance. The 2025 7 Series embraces bold styling, with a massive illuminated kidney grille, sleek laser headlights, and a refined, aerodynamic silhouette. It's modern, imposing, and instantly recognizable as the pinnacle of BMW luxury. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that rivals a five-star lounge. The 14.9-inch curved touchscreen merges seamlessly with a 12.3-inch digital driver display, running BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system with gesture controls and AI-powered voice commands. For rear passengers, the executive lounge package transforms the back seat into a VIP retreat, featuring massaging recliner seats, a rear 31-inch 8K theater screen, and Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound for a cinematic experience on the go. Technology and safety. BMW leaves nothing to chance when it comes to safety and innovation. The 7 Series is equipped with autonomous driving features, including hands-free highway assist, adaptive cruise control, and automated lane changes. And with augmented reality navigation, every turn is effortlessly clear. Pricing and final thoughts. Starting at around $96,000, the 2025 BMW 7 Series is a blend of power, luxury, and futuristic tech, perfect for those who demand the absolute best in their driving experience. Thanks for watching.